Hi, my name is Jake Litfin, Fire Inspector with Red Wing Fire Department. I'm here to talk about some fireworks safety tips. Only use Minnesota legal fireworks and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Point fireworks away from people and animals. Use fireworks in an open area away from trees and houses. Extinguish and dispose of fireworks in a bucket of water. And never try to reignite a dud firework. Always use caution and make sure that children are always supervised. So from all of us here at Red Wing Fire Department, have a safe 4th of July weekend.